H12, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool update right here, and basically what this is an end table. If you can see the one that we got right here is with this brand, and for the one that we got right here, it comes instead of two of them. And the cool thing about this one is the fact that it does give you guys a drawer option. And if you guys remember in the past, I reviewed a few other products from this brand before, but this time I got this one right here. So I'm actually opening up to show you guys what the product looks like. So when you guys first open up, if you can see the product is all well packaged and there is a protection layer on here. And then once you guys take out the protection layer, you can see there's a lot of different compartments inside. So let's take everything out first. Alright, so once you guys take everything out, this is everything that's included inside. So they probably got the leg option right here, the little drawer option right here, and the table itself right here. And right here they provide you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up. And right here they provide you guys all the different screws and different accessories for you guys to set it all up, which should be pretty easy. So I'm going to start setting everything up to show you guys how to do it. So when you guys set up both of them, the same rule applies to both of them. So it looks like we're going to need a screwdriver. So I'm actually going to get a screwdriver first. Alright, so I got my portable screwdriver that we have right here that basically has everything that's needed. So I'm actually working on one of them first to show you guys how to install it. So you basically want to open bag number 2 because that's the first thing you want to use. So you basically want to insert it into the side right here. So 2 and 2, and then 2 and 2 for a total of 4 of them. So just like this. Alright, same thing for other side. Alright, so once you guys do that, you guys want to work on this one right here. So you guys want to use the same thing and insert on both sides right here, so top and bottom. And then once you guys do that, you guys want to get number 4. And you basically want to put it right here. Once you guys do that, you guys want to do the same thing for all the other ports right here as well, for one set first. If you guys want to do all of them for both pieces, you can definitely do that as well. But for right now, we'll just focus on one of them. So you basically need 2 of this and 4 of this one. So when you guys set it up, you guys want to make sure you put it on the right one because it does label on here B and C. So the B is the top layer and C is the bottom layer. So what I want to do is put this part right here into the 2 holes. And for the middle section right here, you guys want to use screw 1 to screw it in to make it tight. So just like this. Push it in all the way. And now I want to get screw 1 to actually screw it in. So here's where you guys need to use a screwdriver. So you guys want to screw it in right here, right in the middle. So once you guys do that, you guys want to do the same for all of them. Let me actually go get my power drill so that we can make it easier. Alright, so let's see how much faster the process is when you guys use a power drill. Now let's finish up the other side as well. Alright, so once you guys finish that step, then you guys want to put the table part right here on top. So for setting up this top part here, we need to use screw number 5. So you basically want to screw it in the middle right here, 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 and here. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing for all the other ones as well. So for this one, you probably don't want to use a power drill, so that way you guys don't break it. Alright, so once you guys finish setting up this part, you guys want to put it on top. Once you guys put it on top, then you guys want to screw the inside part that I just put on, so that way you can make it tight. So this part right here, use a screw to turn it. That way it will lock it in place. And you guys want to do the same thing for all 4 of them. Alright, so that should be good. Next one I put in is number 3 right here. And you basically want to hammer it into the bottom part. And what that does is give you guys like a non-slip layer on the bottom to prevent it from like scratching your floor and etc. So if you guys don't have a hammer, you can definitely use something else to kind of like push it down. So there's 4 of them provided for you guys. And be careful when you guys do handle it because it is pretty sharp on the bottom. So you just want to insert it anywhere you guys want to. Usually I recommend putting it in the middle. So you just want to slightly push a little bit first, then you guys can use like a hammer to hammer it down. Alright, so we got 2 of them in. Let's do the same thing for other 2 sides right here as well. Alright, so once you guys set the bottom part, then you guys basically all done. All you need to do now is put in the drawer in. So here's basically what the drawer option looks like. So there's another board and there's a foldable option here, but you basically want to put this inside. So that way give you guys the foundation and everything to support it. You just want to slip this inside. So just like that, it's all set. One thing that I do want to let you guys know for the drawer option right here, you don't have to use it if you guys don't want to. If you guys want to use this to like put stuff on here for each different section, you can do that as well. And for the drawer option, it does slide out. So you probably want to put something in the back to kind of like prevent it from falling out if you guys are worried. But that shouldn't be an issue if you guys put it flat down on a flat surface. But here's basically what the product looks like when you guys do set it up. Now I'm going to set up the other one and then we'll put it right here to show you guys what it actually looks like once you guys do fully set it up. Alright, so we just finished setting up both of them. Let me just set it up to show you guys what it actually looks like if you guys will actually set it up for the display and everything. Alright, so here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. So you can definitely put one on one side and definitely put the other one on the other side. But if you see the way how we lay it out, it actually looks pretty nice. And it blends so well with the layout that we have right here. And if you guys want to, you can definitely put like a lamp on top. So I do have a lamp, so I'm going to set it up to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so I just put the lamp on. You can see this is what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. You can see it actually looks pretty nice. And the cool thing about this lamp that we have right here is the fact that it does have a USB option. So that way you can use it to charge your device at the same time if you guys do want to, which is at a 2A charging speed. And if you guys are interested in this lamp, it's actually pretty cool because there's no button for it to press. All you guys need to do is tap the bottom part and that will turn off the light. And there's 3 different brightness level on here for the light bulb that's provided for you guys. But here's basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. You can see it definitely looks pretty nice. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for an easy to build end table. Like give you guys a drawer option that you can move. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.